Okay, I think finally I'm getting somewhere with the brake light switch. So I come up with this idea. Found this little tool. The hole is big enough to put the brake light switch in. And got lock nuts on both sides. So now it will not slip backwards when pressing the pedal. It will not slip through. So I'm going to mount that down there just enough to where the plunger goes in. And then I have this piece of aluminum that I bonded together because it needs to go, you need to push out enough like that. I'm going to glue this side onto the face of the brake down there, and the brake arm down there, just like that. So now there should be no slipping of the brake light switch. And so that piece is going to go right in here, right there, right on the face of that. The brake light switch goes through that hole. And then that should be done and over with. Yeah, brake light switch nightmare should be over with. So I'm going to use my JB weld. And maybe I'll set this up. Let's see. See if I can set this up. Of course not, because I can't afford a GoPro. I can't do that. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. Maybe it will. Yeah, maybe it'll work. Take that light out. Alright, so you want to mix our Bondo here. Do equal parts. Don't need a whole lot. Don't need to go crazy on this. I'll tell you what though, this Bondo, this JB Weld, man, save your ass. A lot of stuff. So I got a white one, I got a black one, I'm going to do equal parts. Well, apparently there was a hole in the bottom. Might want to wear gloves too if you ever mess with this. Alright, I guess I can't use that no more. Alright.
Did you see my text?
Alright, so I'm going to mix the Bondo here. Nice gray color. It's too bad I had a hole in my black one. Oh well. Mix that bad boy up. And we're going to put that on our aluminum square there. Things you have to fabricate on these old cars. Some of the engineering on them isn't that great. So, we got that. And then what we're going to use is a clamp. We got these little clamps. Okay. Now I'm just going to put it on the back side of here. And I'm just going to go ahead and clamp it down there. We'll let that go all day. And then, of course, we'll make our final adjustments with this. I can go this way, that way, whichever way on the brake light switch. And this can always be changed out. New one replaced, no problem. Nothing is permanent with this. But it will hold, it will do the job. Alright, so we'll go ahead. That'll be it. I'm going to go ahead and just put some on the face of this. I did scuff up the side so it'll be a stronger bond. Always apply a little more because when you squeeze it, it'll squeeze out. Alright, that should do it. Take our clamp and we're going to go ahead, clamp it down. That'll be it. Stay tuned.